Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some peanut butter cookies, and for that we need to have melted butter, add into it a little bit of peanut butter, and add in a little bit of vanilla, 1 cup of sugar, and mixing all of this together. All of these ingredients should be melted together and mixed. And whenever done with this step, let's go on and work with the bananas. We need 2 bananas for this recipe. Squeeze them and add 1 yolk to the other ingredients, only the yolk, not the white, and the squeezed bananas to this. Here it is. Whenever added, go on and add some flour little by little, not the whole cup at once. And also you can add 1 teaspoon of soda while adding the flour. Let's now have some zest of the orange. Squeeze it and add it to the other ingredients as well, and mix all of this together again. This is going to be an absolutely amazing, delicious thing. So let's go on and make some rounds. Make sure you are doing them far from each other because they are going to be cooked and may join each other if you are putting them very, very close to each other. Here it is, and let them be cooked. You can add some sugar powder onto the top when ready, and good appetite!